I bet you're always on the lookout for ways to maximize your profits and secure a comfortable future. Let's talk about individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, a tool that can help you do just that, especially if you own an S corporation. Now, it's natural to have concerns about how to manage your finances and retirement savings while running an S corporation. Did you know, though, that as of 2021, about 32% of Americans had an IRA account? Quite a considerable number, isn't it? This tells us that IRAs are a popular choice for many, and for good reasons. Firstly, having an IRA is a brilliant way to put aside some money for the golden years. And the beauty of it is, it's separate from the business, giving you a personal cushion of financial security. You can contribute a part of your income to the IRA, and the funds grow tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on your savings until you withdraw them. Now, I hear you asking, how does one set up an IRA when they own an S corporation? It's quite simple. The first step is determining your eligibility. Generally speaking, most S Corp owners who receive a salary from their corporation are eligible to open an IRA. So, once you ascertain your eligibility, you can choose between a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. A traditional IRA allows your investments to grow tax-deferred, while a Roth IRA lets your investments grow tax-free, as you pay taxes upfront. Let's delve a bit into the numbers. According to a report in 2019, the average IRA balance was about $100,000, giving individuals a nice nest egg for retirement. Quite impressive, right? The next step is selecting an IRA custodian, which could be a bank, a brokerage firm, or another financial institution. These entities are responsible for managing your IRA and can help you with the nuances and legal requirements. Once this is set, you start contributing a part of your earnings to your IRA, regularly or as a lump sum amount, based on what suits your financial plan the best. Remember, time is an ally when it comes to investments. The sooner you start, the better it is, as it allows your investments to grow and compound over a longer period. It's like planting a seed today to enjoy the shade tomorrow. So, in a nutshell, having an IRA as an S Corp owner not only helps you build a secure future, but also gives you peace of mind, knowing that you have a financial buffer separately from your business assets. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on saving for retirement through an IRA? Does it seem like a good strategy? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.